I'm about to take a sneak. He got a package. Don't peek. You peek.
The best gift ever.
Can
I see?
No, you can't see. But I'm about to look really quick.
Let me see.
I'm about to take a sneak peek.
Let me see.
Let me take a sneak peek.
Let me see.
She got a package. It's a late birthday gift from Kendall. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm gonna open it.
Wait. So what do you think is inside?
Probably my guess is like something pink. Cause like there's pink bubble wrap. And there's like pink stickers.
It is so cute stuff in here. So cute stuff in here.
So you wanna see?
Close your eyes. Let me see something. Close your eyes. Hold on. Don't open your eyes, okay? Don't peek. Don't peek. Don't peek, okay? Don't peek! No, for real. So we're gonna see if you can guess what it is, okay?
Okay.
So you can touch it, but you can't peek.
Okay, ready. Cinnamon roll.
You peek! You peek! You
No,
peek!
the ears.
So you're ready to look at it for real?
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you unbox it, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Time to open this present. It has a little school suit.
Let me see.
Look, here's it up close.
Oh, cinnamon roll. So cute.
Next we have this box.
What's in it?
Let's see. It has something metally, like something rattly and shaky. It's a kuromi bracelet.
No way. Let me see.
And look, it has like this necklace.
This is so cute, y'all. Oh
I
my
can't
god,
wait
it's
for
not
the cinnamon
focusing.
roll.
It's not focusing. Oh shoot.
It's really
Oh, there it is. Look, y'all.
The
So
charms are
cute.
really cool.
Let me
The
see.
charms are really cool. That one might be hard to focus
So cute.
on. We have another one.
Oh.
I wonder what this one's gonna be.
What's that one?
Hello Kitty.
No way. No.
Look at this.
No way, y'all. Oh my gosh.
It's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Next thing. Oh my gosh, look at Chloe with the little like cape and like that. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
So cute. Your plushie collection is growing. What's that?
I got 2 pens. I can give one to someone special.
Let me see.
Look, it's my Melody and Kuromi because they're sisters.
So cute. What? Y'all, she is obsessed with lip gloss. Look at her lip now. She's obsessed with lip gloss.
I have a whole lip gloss collection. Every day I just put on lip gloss.
Lip gloss poppin'.
They have all the matching outfits. They look like they're in the same school with the same uniform.
Let me see.
Look at her bowl. It's golden and it's not pink for the first time.
I know. So cute.
This one's gonna be cool but weird.
What? It's Hello Kitty tissue. Have y'all ever seen that before?
I seen pink tissue, I seen green tissue, but not.
Stop. Hello Kitty tissue? No way.
I got the Star Twins. I got lip gloss and a pen, a ballpoint pen.
Okay.
My melody. My melody. Look, she has those like bows on, and it says my melody on her foot.
Oh my gosh! So cute!
What's this?
It's the whole collection!
We just need, I think that's the whole collection.
What's that?
I don't know what this is. I just don't, what is it? Oh, it's a hairbrush! I forgot people had these. It's a hairbrush.
Cute!
I didn't know this was a hairbrush. I thought this was like a fake phone or something. Next. I thought this was a backpack. But this is super cute. Like, look at the back. It can hold like a bunch of things. Like a bunch.
Where's your wallet?
Oh, my wallet. Back of my wallet. It's a cute combo. Like, this has red sprinkles, this is red, and this will go perfect with my wallet, and I'll never lose money again. What is this? Oh!
What is it?
Wait, are these trash bags?
Let me see.
Oh, the trash bags for my bathroom.
Oh, for the bathroom. This is cute.
I needed those. A blanket. This will keep me warm, cozy, and fuzzy. And
I like the pattern.
I wish they made Hello Kitty donuts in real life. What's this? It's a garbage bag.
This is the garbage bag too?
Yeah.
Let me see. I gotta open and see what this is. I'm not sure what this is.
A sleeping Hello Kitty. We have a Hello Kitty umbrella.
That is so cute.
I want to show it to you guys, and I don't mind if I get bad luck.
That is, you gotta see it. Let me show you. Hold on, let me show you what it looks like.
That's so cute.
So
The
cute.
cinnamon roll is my favorite. The cinnamon roll is my favorite.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Can you roll it back up for me?
Uh-huh.
Next thing is a calculator to help me in 3rd grade. Let's see what color I got. I got pink.
Let me see it.
It's bedazzled.
No.
It's so cute.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
bedazzled. I thought it was just gonna be like plain white.
This
but
is cute.
It's bedazzled. It's so cute.
What?
It's so cute. I have a Hello Kitty one. I have a kuromi one. Then I'm gonna get a cinnamon roll. Then a My Melody. I'm gonna have the whole collection. This is gonna help me.
What? Let me see.
A light to make me not afraid of the dark. I'm so scared of the dark.
Girl, y'all, she is so scared. She does not want it to be dark at all.
There's nothing else in the box.
Aww.
But everything right here is what I wanted for Christmas. This is just like the best gift ever. The best gift ever.
Thank you, Kendall.
Thank you, Kendall.
It's perfect. Everything is so cute. You love it?
The most thing I love the most. I would say the Hello Kitty calculator.
Yeah, this is bomb. This is so cute.
This will just help me. This will help me in school. Thank you, Kendall. I love it. This is everything that I wanted for Christmas. Everything.
We can't wait to see you again, Kendall.
Love you. Peace.